Next, we starting our fourth chapter. The chapter is linear equation in two variables. Okay, linear equation in two variables. The last year we learned the linear equation in one variable. Correct? The linear equation in one variable. Then you know what is the meaning of linear. Correct? Then in the chapter polynomial we discussed about the linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial, like that. Correct? Then now you got it, what is the idea of linear. Correct? We already know that. And is a linear means what is the variable we use that expressions, that power of expression, the power of the variable in that expression is 1. Correct? It's a linear equation in one variable means the power of the variable is 1 and we use only one variable there. So it's a linear equation in one variable. The last year we studied that one. Clear? So it's an example. 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then what is the variable we use here? We use the variable x, and what is the power of x? The power of x is 1. Correct? The power of x is 1. And how many variables we use? We use only one variable, and that variable power is 1. So is a linear equation. They have the equalities and is equal to 0. Correct? So is a linear equation in one variable. Then what is this year we studying? We studying the ideas of the linear equation in two variables. That means we use the two variables and both variables powers are 1. That one is called linear equation. It's an equation. We use we are writing an equation by using the two variables and the powers of the variable is 1. That type of equation is called linear equation in two variables. Okay, for example is 4x plus 5y plus 9 is equal to 0. How many variables we use? This equation we use the two variables x and y. Okay, then what is the power of x? The power of x is 1 and power of y is equal to 1. Correct? The both powers are 1. Power of x is 1, power of y is 1. So this one is called pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay, നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ രണ്ട് വേരിയബിൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന മക്കളെ ആ രണ്ട് വേരിയബിളിന്റെയും പവർ എത്രയാണ്? 1 ആണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഇങ്ങനെയുള്ള ഇക്വേഷനാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് വിളിക്കുന്നത്? Linear equation in two variables. Okay, so we know what is the linear form of the general form of linear equation in one variable. The general form of linear equation in one variable is ax plus b is equal to 0. What is that? We already learned. What is that? Ax plus b is equal to 0. Then here is a linear equation in two variable. So the general form is of linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What is that? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The general form of linear equation in two variables is very important. That one is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then you must remember what is the general form. The general form of linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Is a standard form or general form of linear equation in two variables. What is a? A is the coefficient of x and we have the conditions. The condition is a not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. A and b എന്താവാൻ വേണ്ടി പാടില്ല? 0 ആവാൻ വേണ്ടി പാടില്ല. Okay, so ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then what is a? A is the coefficient of x and b is the coefficient of y and c is a constant. Okay, then you must remember what is the general standard form or general form of pair of general form of linear equation in two variables. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What is a? A is the coefficient of x, what is b, the coefficient of y, what is c, c is a constant. Clear? Now we know the idea what is the standard form of a linear equation in two variables. What is that? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And we know what is a. A is the coefficient of x. What is b? B is the coefficient of y. What is c? C is a constant. Okay. Then we go to the next question. The first question is like this. Write each of the following equations in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, means the standard form, and indicate the values of a, b and c in each cases. Okay, I think you got the question. നമ്മൾ ഓരോ ഇക്വേഷനും ഏതിന്റെ ഫോമിലേക്ക് എഴുതണം? ലീനിയർ ഇക്വേഷന്റെ സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡ് ഫോമിലേക്ക് മാറ്റണം. എന്നിട്ടോ എൻ്റെയും ബിൻ്റെയും സിൻ്റെയും വാല്യൂ എഴുതണം. അതാണ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. ദെൻ ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഈസ് 4 is equal to 5x minus 3y. 4 is equal to 5x minus 3y. What is our standard form? The standard form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Correct? So we need to make is equal to 0 form. So we need to transpose 4 to the side of 5x minus 3y or 5x minus 3y the side of 4. അല്ലേ? നമുക്ക് എ എക്സ് പ്ലസ് ബി വൈ പ്ലസ് സി ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 0 ഫോം കിട്ടണമെങ്കിൽ മക്കളെ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ഒന്നിക്കൽ 4ന് നമ്മൾ 5x മൈനസ് 3yയുടെ സൈഡിലേക്ക് ട്രാൻസ്പോസ് ചെയ്യണം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 5x മൈനസ് 3yനെ ഏതിന്റെ സൈഡിലേക്ക് ട്രാൻസ്പോസ് ചെയ്യണം? 4ന്റെ സൈഡിലേക്ക് ട്രാൻസ്പോസ് ചെയ്യണം. ദ ബെറ്റർ ഈസ് ടു ട്രാൻസ്പോസ് 4. അല്ലേ? 4നെ കൊണ്ടുപോകാനാണ് എളുപ്പം, അത് ഒന്നേ കൊണ്ടുപോകാനുള്ളൂ. സോ if you transpose 4 to the side of 5x minus 3y, what is remaining here? Then if you transpose 4 from here, then nothing is there. Correct? Nothing is there. Then nothing is there means is equal to 0. Then I am writing first 5x minus 3y. 5x minus 3y. Then is a plus 4. Transposing them, what is the changes? Minus 4 is equal to 0. Then now this one in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Y is a plus because we know the minus 3y is possible to write as in the form of plus minus 3y. അല്ലേ? നമുക്ക് ഓരോ മൈനസിനെയും നമുക്ക് എങ്ങനെ എഴുതാം മക്കളെ? പ്ലസ് മൈനസ് ആക്കി എഴുതാം. പ്ലസ് മൈനസ് നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പൊ അതുകൊണ്ട് ഇവിടെ മൈനസ് കണ്ടാൽ അത് സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡ് ഫോം അല്ല എന്ന് വിചാരിക്കണ്ട. മൈനസിനെ നമുക്ക് എങ്ങനെ എഴുതാം? പ്ലസ് മൈനസ് എന്ന് എഴുതാം. അത് നമ്മൾ എഴുതുന്നില്ല, പക്ഷെ നമ്മുടെ മനസ്സിലുണ്ടാവണം 5x plus minus 3y plus minus 4 is equal to 0 ആണ്. ഏത്? 5x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, then now this one in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So we converted the given equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The next we need to write the value of a, b and c. Therefore a is equal to, what is a? A is the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? That one is 5. 5. B is equal to, what is b? The coefficient of y. What is the coefficient of y? That one is minus 3. Not only 3, minus 3. And c is equal to minus 4. Then we wrote here the value of a, value of b and value of c. Okay. The next question. 2x is equal to y. So for getting the is equal to 0 form, what is next? We transpose y in the side of x. So what do you get? 2x is equal to y. The next step is 2x minus y is equal to 0. 2x minus y is equal to 0. Then this one in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Ax term is here, correct? by term is also here, but we not seeing in c there. Constant കാണുന്നില്ല ഉണ്ടോ? y കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ പിന്നെ ഒന്നും കാണില്ല, is equal to 0 ആണ്. Then if we not get any constant there, that meaning is the constant is there. If we have the constant there, what is the constant? That constant value is 0. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ഒരു ടേം കാണുന്നില്ല, c പ്ലസ് c കാണുന്നില്ല. സിക്ക് പകരം ഇതുപോലെ നമ്പർ ഇല്ല, അല്ലേ? സിക്ക് പകരം നമ്പർ ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ അതിന്റെ അർത്ഥം എന്താണ് മക്കളെ? അവിടെ ഒരു നമ്പർ ഉണ്ട്. ഏത് നമ്പർ ആഡ് ചെയ്താലാണ് ഈ y തന്നെ കിട്ടുക? വൈയോട് ഏത് നമ്പർ ആഡ് ചെയ്താലാണ് ആ വൈ തന്നെ കിട്ടുക? അത് 0 ആണ്. സോ ഈസ് നോട്ട് സീയിങ് എ നമ്പർ in the after that adding case. If we not seeing any number after the y, then what is that number? The number is 0. So we are writing here, therefore what is the value of a? A is equal to 2. What is the value of b? B is the coefficient of y. Y alla b, the coefficient of y. What is the coefficient of y? Here we not seeing a number, means that number is 1. Then what is that number sign? Minus. So b is equal to -1. B is equal to -1. What is c? We not seeing a constant, means what is c value? C value is 0. Then here also we got the value of a, b and c. And finally the third one, x minus 4 is equal to root 3y. Correct? Then for getting is equal to 0, first we transpose root 3y in the side of x minus 4. Then the first step is x minus 4 minus root 3y is equal to 0. But this one is not in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Correct? The first term is x, second term we must needed the y term, but here the second term is a constant. So for getting the second term is y term, we rearrange the term. Okay, രണ്ടാമത്തെ ടേം വൈൻ്റെതായിരിക്കണം അല്ലേ? എ എക്സ് പ്ലസ് ബി വൈ പ്ലസ് സി ഫോമിലാവണമെങ്കിൽ രണ്ടാമത് വൈൻ്റെ ടേം വരണം. അത് കിട്ടാൻ വേണ്ടി നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നു? ഇതിനെ ഒന്നും കൂടെ റീഅറേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യുന്നു. എങ്ങനെയാ? എക്സ് മൈനസ് റൂട്ട് 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, x minus root 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. So now this one in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then what is the value of a? Therefore a is equal to, there is no coefficient for x, we are not seeing a number, means the number is 1. A is equal to 1. B is equal to minus root 3 and C is equal to minus 4. Okay, then we wrote it, or we convert first all the equation in the form of ax plus by plus c. Then after we wrote the value of a, b and c. Then I think you got it the idea how to convert and how to write the values of a, b and c. Now we got it the idea how to convert a given equation in the form of linear equation in two variables, the standard form of linear equation in two variables, and how to write the values of a, b and c. Correct? So we go to the next question. The question type is like this: write each of the following as an equation in two variables. Okay, here is not asked to write the values of a, b and c. The question asks only this much: convert the given equation in the form of linear equation in two variables. Okay, that means what is the form? We want to convert in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, നമ്മൾ അതിനെ ഈക്വേഷൻ ഏത് ഫോമിലേക്ക് മാത്രമായിട്ട് എഴുതണം അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഏതിലേക്ക് എഴുതണം? നേരത്തെ ചെയ്തതുപോലെ എ എക്സ് പ്ലസ് ബി വൈ പ്ലസ് സി എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഫോമിലേക്ക് എഴുതണം. എന്ത് എഴുതാൻ വേണ്ടി പറഞ്ഞിട്ടില്ല? എന്റെയും ബിന്റെയും സിന്റെയും വാല്യൂ എഴുതാൻ വേണ്ടി പറഞ്ഞിട്ടില്ല. സോ ഹൗ ഡു വി സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ? x is equal to -5. Correct? X is equal to -5. Then for getting the x is equal to -5 is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 form, we transpose first -5 the side of x. Correct? Then what is the next? X minus 5 transpose into plus 5 is equal to 0. X plus 5 is equal to 0. Then now we checking this one in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. No. Why? Because here we not seeing the term with y. അല്ലേ, നമ്മൾ ഇതിപ്പോ ഏത് ഫോമിലായിട്ടില്ല, നമ്മൾ ട്രാൻസ്പോസ് ചെയ്ത് is equal to 0 കിട്ടി. പക്ഷേ ഇത് ഏത് ഫോമിലായിട്ടില്ല? ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഫോമിലായിട്ടില്ല. കാരണം എന്താ? ഇവിടെ y ടേം കാണുന്നില്ല. Correct? We is not seeing the y term. There is no y term in this equation, means what we add for making an equation general form, we add the next step a 0y. There is no y term here, So we adding 0y. Then x plus 0y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now this one in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What is the value of a? The value of a is equal to 1. What is the value of b? B is equal to 0. What is c? C is 5. Okay. Then the second question. What is the second question? The second question is y is equal to 2. Then how to write? First we transpose 2 in the side of y. Then y minus 2 is equal to 0. Y minus 2 is equal to 0. But this one is not in the form of standard y. Because here we are not seeing the term with x. ഇവിടെ എന്തില്ല എക്സിന്റെ ടേം ഇല്ല. എക്സിന്റെ ടേം ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ അതിനെ എങ്ങനെയാ മാറ്റി എഴുതുക? Therefore, how to write? Therefore, 0x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. 0x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. What is the value of a? A is 0. What is the value of b? B is 1. What is the value of c? That one is minus 2. Okay. Then next we go the third one. 3x is equal to 7y. Then what is first? We transpose 7y the side of 3x. Then 3x minus 7y is equal to 0. 3x minus 7y is equal to 0. Then here we have the x term, here we have the y term, but we are not seeing the constant. Then how do we write? Therefore, 3x minus 7y plus 0 is equal to 0. Okay. Then 3x minus 7y plus 0 is equal to 0. Then value of a is equal to 3, value of b is equal to minus 7, value of c is equal to 0. Then now we write all the given equations in the form of the general form of a linear equation in two variables. Okay, I think you got this idea.